Back to another episode of housekeeping. Is that amazing? So we got little Cena here. We renamed him. We don't got another kitten. Just still have this one kitten. You remember the little gray kitten in the other videos? He's 10 weeks old, like I said. He is pretty cool. So we renamed him to Cena. First his name was Thunder, then now it's Cena. We were gonna name him Cracker at first, but we couldn't. So I mean, that would be a cute name to name him Cracker. That would be nice. That would be a cute name. Now let's see, where are you, Thunder? Oh, there he is. There he is. Right here. Oh, he's right in front of the camera. Here, let me bring him out. He is right there. He does not want to come out on the couch. Let me get the laser pointer. Right here. It also has, there's 3 lights. There's actually the flashlight. There's the purple one, a white one, and then the laser is the front. See? See that? Alright, Thunder, ready? Here we go. You're gonna come out? Come on. You're gonna come out? Come on, come out. You guys have to bring them out. So here. If you want the laser, then come out here. Okay? See? Wait. Now you guys can see him. It's funny. Watch this. 6. Here we go. He's getting ready. He's getting ready. He missed it. It's right there. I just turned it off. Is he gonna get this one? No. Gonna get it? Is he gonna get it? Nope. Yesterday we went to go watch Incredibles 2. It was nice. I loved it. Never saw it before and it was nice. You watch this. You look at it. Alright, Thunder, right here. Come on, boy. It's funny. He's a boy. I don't think you noticed that. Me, you did. Alright, and then remember, they're rechargeable batteries if you have an Xbox. $8.99 for each one. Each one is $8.99. Here, watch, he's gonna bite me. Thunder, what is it? I mean, Cena. Cena, what is it? What is it, Cena? What is it? Well, I guess he's not even like a little kid anymore. He's growing. Still 10 weeks old, though. I mean, he still needs to play. If he's 10 weeks old, he still wants to play, maybe. Hi. Hey, no. 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 Give me your... Ugh. I got your tail. So I guess if he doesn't come out in 1 second, then in a minute, then we're gonna have to end this video right here. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. It's already went past that though. Alright. Oh, there you are, Thunder. Alright. I mean, Cena. There. Now you want to play more? Here you go. But guys, I'm just gonna have to end this video right here. If you pretend like you can pet him, here, right here. He's under the blanket. Now come out. Now pretend like you're petting him. And now, alright. There you go. Give him a goodbye pet. And that is it for housekeeping today. And I'll see you next time. Bye.